Hey guys, my name is Olivia. I'm a freshman at Laverne studying education, and I'm going to be presenting all of my interests. My biggest interest is dance. It's always been my biggest interest. I've been dancing for 16 years at EDUC Dance Center in Pomona. I have trained in all styles of dance under several award-winning choreographers. Some of my achievements are that I won 2016 Senior Dancer of the Year. I also won an Industry Dance Award with my team in 2015. You can also see me in a concept video with Nia, and you probably know her best from Dance Moms if you watch the show. My team is national award winning. We compete from as close as Anaheim to as far as Florida and everywhere in between. I've had great teammates and coaches, and I'm so blessed to have them all in my life. They've been always really supportive, and I don't know what I would do without all of them, and definitely without dance. My next interest is cars. My dad got me into cars when I was pretty young. He used to race himself, and he now owns a business for fixing and selling cars, located in Fontana, which is where I live. I got my car for my 16th birthday, and it was a car that I've always wanted. It's a Ford Mustang. The year was 2017. I got it in 2016 because that's when I turned 16, obviously. And I'm currently training to do drag races at Fontana Speedway. For my 18th birthday, since I love cars so much, I asked my parents to take me to Speed Vegas to race supercars, which is these two pictures over here. I raced an Audi R8, and I also raced this Mercedes AMG. I had a lot of fun. I raced my dad. He was in a Porsche and I beat him, so that was fun. Some of my other hobbies are surfing, snowboarding, and wakeboarding. I've always loved the beach, and I started surfing a few years ago. I took a class in Costa Rica when I went for the first time, and I've liked it ever since. So I just kind of kept up with it. I've got a wetsuit. I can go all season. I'm getting better at it now. So yeah. And then snowboarding. I'm definitely better at snowboarding than I am at surfing. Probably because I've been doing it longer. We take yearly trips to Mammoth, Lake Tahoe, any of those big mountains for about a week. And then throughout the rest of the snowboarding season, we go to different local places like Big Bear, Mountain High, things like that. I got this board for Christmas a few years ago, and that's what I've been working with. I'm also into wakeboarding, but obviously that's seasonal. We've had a boat for most of my life, so all my family taught me how to do that. We go out every summer to all the different lakes, like Havasu, like Paris, just different places around here. I got my own birthday present being aboard for a long time ago, and it kind of takes a lot of strength, but it's super fun once you get the hang of it. I also really love to travel. I just think it's cool to get out of the norm and go and explore and immerse yourself in new cultures, go on new adventures with people. We take a few vacations each year, me and my family. My next one's going to be spring break, and we're going on a cruise that's going to go to St. Kitts, St. Thomas, and the Bahamas. A few places that I've already visited are Costa Rica, and that's kind of like a hot spot. We've been there 5 times now, and we're going again this summer. And then Cabo San Lucas, Haiti, Jamaica, Puerto Vallarta, Florida, St. Martin, Puerto Rico, and a lot of just random states in our country. I took this picture on a plane. I think we were going to Costa Rica. And then this is a picture from our house in Costa Rica. That's the view. Yeah, it's really pretty. I love doing different activities in different places. It's a lot of fun. I also love the Dodgers and baseball in general, but I was born and raised a Dodger fan. The rest of my family is all Dodger fans. I would say that we have a few of the best players in the game. Definitely our pitcher. I know that we did have a rough last 2 years because the World Series. I don't want to talk about it. I actually took a tour of Dodger Stadium a few days ago, We got to do things like go in the bullpen, go in the dugout. We went into the clubhouse where all the players change. We went in Vince Clay's press box. We saw their gym. We saw all of their awards. And this fountain, you might have seen Corey Seager drinking from it a few times on TV. He's my favorite player ever, so that was really cool that I got to do that. I dressed up as a baseball player one year for Halloween. This is me in the dugout and my sister and I, where they do their press interviews. And my next big interest / project is going to be Maverick. For Christmas, my parents gave me a golden retriever puppy. He's not here yet. He's coming on the 20th, and we did find out yesterday that he's going to be a boy. But I do plan on having a gender reveal, so don't tell your friends. This is kind of like the inside scoop. But yeah, fun fact, he already has 18 bow ties. I plan on having a very cute dog. I can't wait to share pictures of him and go on adventures with him. I think it's going to be a great experience. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for listening and for taking the time out of your day to listen to my interests.